Hello, I'm Marie Sollett. I'm the branch manager of the Poe Library on Sullivan's Island, and today we're going to create a watercolor background to highlight a piece of origami or some other artwork. We have an origami series, and this giraffe comes out of that. So we're just going to do a little bit of watercolor to make some leaves and some ground, and then create a piece of framed art. Or if you want to do it out of something small, you can create a greeting card. Making a wet wash, and I'm gonna just make some ground. I'm mixing some brown and some purple to get kind of a gray. I want the colors to mix and blend on their own. Use the fact that watercolor swirls and bleeds to make it look more interesting. I'll call that done. And then I'm going to mix some greens. I always have scrap watercolor paper or paper towel. I have tissues today because we're out of paper towels. So I can kind of test my color. This is a number 5 round brush because it comes to a nice point. I'm gonna make some branches. Then I'm gonna use the brush just to dab in some leaves. It's not detailed. It's not exact. Watercolor is intimidating because it's messy, but it's fun to just let the colors do what they want to do. I'm just doing a quick dab, letting the shape of the brush create the leaves. My ground is still drying, but the leaves I started with over here are already dry. I think I'm happy with that. And the only other step is to take your piece of origami, decide where you want it, and glue it into place. So that is it. Really simple, quick watercolor, and turn a piece of origami or something you've cut or created elsewhere into a piece of frameable art or a greeting card, cover of an art journal, your choice. Instructions for making this origami giraffe and other origami animals are in our origami series. See the link, the program description.